Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing Guinness punch. So I'll just pour it to the mixing bowl. Pour it into the mixing bowl. To that we'll add condensed milk. Just a bit of spice. And this is just for flavor. And I already use nourishment. And it's the vanilla nourishment that you use. And then you mix. Now this is traditionally drank on a Sunday, with your Sunday dinner. Or you can just make the punch relax, put ice in it, relax and enjoy. So I have placed the mixture, Guinness punch, into a jug, and then I'm gonna just pour it on some ice.